The Showdown, Unraveling the Drama in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the home where we break down English phrases and idioms to make you a language pro. Today, we're going to explore the thrilling world of a term you've probably heard in Western movies, dramatic sports commentaries, or intense boardroom tales, a showdown. Stick around as we decode its meaning, usage, and share some examples that will arm you with the perfect way to use this phrase in your next English conversation. The term showdown has its roots in the Old West, but don't worry, you won't need a horse or a cowboy hat for this journey. In its original context, a showdown was the moment in a card game, especially poker, when players laid their cards on the table to see who had the best hand, quite literally showing down their cards. Fast forward to today, and a showdown has broadened in meaning. It now refers to any event, confrontation, or moment where a significant dispute or competition is to be resolved once and for all. It's the climax, the final battle, the ultimate test that decides who the victor is and who walks away in defeat. Let's get into the practical side of things. How do you use a showdown in a sentence? Here are a few examples. The final match between the two rival teams is shaping up to be an epic showdown. The negotiations between the companies came to a showdown, with both sides refusing to back down. After weeks of preparation, the two candidates faced off in a political showdown during the debate. Notice how showdown can apply to sports, business, politics, and other scenarios where tension builds up to a decisive moment. Synonyms are different words with similar meanings. They can add variety to your speech or writing. For a showdown, here are a few synonyms you might consider. Confrontation. This word carries a sense of conflict and direct opposition. Face-off, often used in sports or competitions. Climax. The peak or turning point of a series of events, usually involving a decisive confrontation. Duel. Historically referring to a fight between two people, it can now be used metaphorically for any type of one-on-one contest. Using synonyms can show off your language skills and help keep your audience engaged. We've reached the end of our video, and I hope you now feel ready to throw a showdown into your English conversations with confidence. Remember, it's all about that moment of high tension and final conflict where everything is decided. Use it to describe sports, debates, negotiations, or any epic battle between mighty opponents. Thank you for joining us, and if you loved this linguistic duel of learning, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more. Can't wait to see you at our next video. Until then, keep practicing and stay curious.